Over 97% of trader lose money on a given day with net of fees. And within 2 years of the journey, most of them quit trading thinking that this is too hard bucket for them. And surprisingly, foreign exchange market is the same story. Over 90% lose money. And when they come in trading, very within the first 4 months, they just start trading one or two trades, or probably it's something they think it's not something for them. Why is that happening? And today in this video, why do beginners in stock market lose money in trading or investing, whatever you call it? And that's what I want to cover. And if you see this pyramid down below, I want you to be 1% of those traders, and this video will give you the real reasoning behind it. And when I say real, it's proven with actual study. Now, this video will be not about, hey, you're doing over trading, or you're doing too much of leveraging, you should work on psychology, and so on and so forth. That is all given, all those are factors, those are the cause and effect. We have to look at it, but you have to look at what is actual reasoning behind it, why this is happening. And that mental model which I'm going to share will not only be helping in your journey of investing, trading, but also help you in various other aspects of life, right? So are you ready for that? Just type ready and let's get started with that. So the clear study was done by David Dunning and Justin Kruger in 1999 in Cornell University around logical reasoning, grammar, and social studies. But that is what kind of effect you can apply that in trading too. Let me explain you a very simple way. And I'm telling you my personal story. When I was growing up in India, and I used to see my dad driving a car, Maruti 800 that time. And I used to see him observe his, pedal movements and accelerator and gear changing and all that. And I thought it's very easy, right? One fine day he came for lunch and I took his car keys and I just took the car and went for a spin. You know what would happen after that? Obviously, I don't want to say that, right? When you actually do things, you realize that it's not easy. And that's exactly the effect Dunning-Kruger effect is. And same thing goes in another example is like when you are given a color pencils or paints and brushes and paper and say, hey, before that you think I can draw amazing, but eventually what it turns out to be, in my case, it's always been a hill and sunrise on this. And I know you must be laughing here, but that's exactly what happens. I couldn't go beyond that because I have the Dunning-Kruger effect. Okay, so let me explain you one by one what happens in trading, coming back to the topic. So it can be a game changer if you apply this not only in trading but beyond, as I told you. So first phase is you must be, uh, seeing a lot of videos around that. I'm assuming that. So if you watch 5 videos on certain topics, RSI, this and that, and you think you know everything and you start trading, and that's where the peak of confidence, this is where it comes in, right? First, the Dunning-Kruger effect, first, y-axis is confidence and the x-axis is competence, right? That's what it is. And first phase of it, if you watch few videos, you say, okay, I'll smash it, and then that's where the peak of confidence comes. I know everything about this, let's crack it. And that's the first, and you start buying random trades, and you, to your impact to that, you know what happens after that, right? So after this you move in and say, oh, that's where comes in the key part of it, valley of despair. That's the next stage. I think it is, I need to understand this. And this is the, when you go through this particular valley and reach to valley of despair, that's where the biggest pain happens. Wait, I lost money. This is harder than I thought, right? And that's what happened. Didn't happen to you as well, right? If yes, just type in income box yes so that I know that. That's what, where you start looking at your competence level is already, because you got an experience and your confidence is shattered. But then most of the people fall out from here. They don't go next stage. And that is a valley of despair, which I don't want. After watching this video, any of you should do that. Trust me, stay with, and I'll explain you how this will happen after this. So most of the people drop out from there and they don't go up in the pyramid at all. Now, moving on, to the next part of it is where you start going back. And those people who want to come out of this valley of despair, you say, okay, let me go back to drawing board, do something what I need to do. And that's where your feet is on the ground, and you're slowly learning, you're understanding your risk management, understanding, because you have asked those right questions to yourself. Hey, how can I do that? Instead of saying, oh, stock trading is gambling, stock market is gambling, and all those negative comments you'll see, you exactly know they're on valley of despair. Now, if you find your friends and anybody saying that around you, you know exactly what's going on. So do, write down in comment box that that was something you have also observed it. And and that's what I see when I speak to a lot of people, because I can know exactly what the pain points are, and we discuss this in our community a lot, right? And that's where the fourth comes in, enlightenment. Everything will start connecting, the dots will be there, you'll be able to connect things. Not that you're still expert, you're still learning, but now you have a method to madness. And that where markets are complex, you understand that I want to focus on my own journey, focus on my own process. You have the right parameters, KPIs to yourself, how you're going to track and improve. And that's where your way of alignment, when enlightenment happens. And this effect is only not only applicable for trading, it is applicable for all of your journey. So make sure that you understand this, right? And if you have getting aha moments in this video, do type in comment box, because that way I know exactly, because it takes a lot of effort to make these videos. And I love to come and talk to you about all these journeys, because I really really enjoy that. So hopefully you got to know the real reason why do beginners in stock market make losses in trading, and what is the actual reasoning behind it. The Dunning-Kruger effect is in play. So there's no quick win success. You have to, you know take your own journey, go through that grind, and you can get associated with peaceful weekend investing channels so that you get benefited from that. If trading feels easy today, you need to be watch out for that. It can, and be careful about it. So real winners are those winners who have stayed till the end. So you are the winner because you watched this video till the end and you got the real crux of it. So now you know why people lose money. This is Shivendra Bhatia signing off from this video. If you have got aha moments and if you thought there was a value on this video, do give a thumbs up, write a comment or two, share with your friends and family, and follow me any of your favorite social media channels, because I love to share a lot of these videos coming forward. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Bye bye.